Good day, everyone. This is the continuation of the report. The foregoing implementation guidelines are applicable to the International Practicum Training Program for HRM or tourism students. First, obligation of requirements for the agencies parties involved. First, higher education institutions. Only higher education institutions with accredited programs are qualified to participate in the IPTP and may deploy their HRM or tourism student for the purpose. Second, training partner. The training partner should be at least a 3-star hotel, resort, club, restaurant duly accredited by the hotel or restaurant association abroad. Third, third-party training partner. The TPTP should be accredited by CHED. The following requirements for accreditation is the first registrations with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Fourth, student. Considering the cross-cultural nature of this program, participants should be carefully selected. They should possess the following qualification. Must must be an HRM tourism student and currently enrolled in the practicum subject. Next, must be at least 18 years old. Must be past free practicum requirements. Must undergo a pre-departure orientation, seminar and proficiency training in basic industry language. Must be recommended by the faculty practicum coordinator and dean of the college. Must be physically and mentally fit with a pleasant personality. Next, must be articulate in English or the language spoken in a host country. Another, must possess the manifest approval or consent from parents or guardian. Last one, must have the right attitude toward practicum or the work. B. Obligation and responsible of the agency's parties involved. First is the higher education institution. Must select participants in accordance with the qualification requirements with occurrence of the 3TP. 3TP. Next is a training partner. Training partner provide the work experience or on-the-job training to the students or the trainees in accordance with the agreed training plan and schedule of activities. Next one is third-party training partner or the TPTP. This TPT screens student based on the preliminary list endorsed by the school. The TPT can only place student whose name appear in the list and student will be selected through actual interview in the Philippines. Next one is the student. Student enroll for practicum units in the school, complete the agreed duration of this practicum training. Next one is the parent or the guardian. Co-sign the trainership contract to manifest their approval or consent to the training abroad of their son or daughter, even if he or she over 18 years old. Next one is the operation of the International Practicum Training Program. First one is the implement. The faculty practicum coordinator of HEI and the representative from CHED will conduct an initial visit and inspection of facilities of training partner. Second, monitoring evaluation. So this part is they must monitor and evaluate of the performance of the student and trainees, and the IPTP itself shall be done jointly by the supervisor of the training partner and the faculty practicum coordinator of HEI using common procedure instrument standards such as observation, monthly reports, and interview. And at the end of the training period, the supervisor of the training partner shall provide the student with the following documents, which the student in turn will submit to the faculty practicum coordinator. Certificate of completion, duly accomplished evaluation sheet, and other pertinent reports, information, or documents which may be required. Third one is the duration of the training. The duration of the training is the IPTP should not be less than 3 months but not more than 1 year. Last one is the sanctions. Any school found guilty of violating the provision contained in the IPTP policies and guidelines shall be subject to the revocation of its annual permit to the participant in ITP. And the sanction of the following is failing grade in the practicum subject. Next is invalidation of the training undertaken and disqualification from the IPTP. That would be my report, and God bless and have a good day.